What's happening? Denise Stokes. What's happening, Calvin? Home. Nietzsche. Gwendolyn. What's happening, y'all, boys? Eat me some breakfast and stuff. Well, not now. There's cookies right now, but I found the cookies I bought. Mm-hmm. Star Word. What's going on with you, Baba? Appreciate you sliding through. I just eating some, cooking some breakfast. I was going to work out with Bill. Taking the day off. I probably work out tomorrow on Monday. But check out the cookies though. Yeah, right there, right? So we need some eggs and shit now. Yeah. Yeah, well, about to open up a restaurant. All y'all welcome to come slide through. I'll be making all these wonderful careers that you can't get from nowhere else on the planet. Green, mashed potatoes, and things of that nature. People don't really fuck with you unless you make it. The quickest right ever. Let me show y'all boy this way. Yeah, you can't really see it that good, but it's gonna be a sexy it's gonna be a sexy show to roll. Got me some Chipotle style type thing, you know? Yeah. Like that.